instructor. Nahiya siya. Parang very reluctant to give him a certification. Grade. Yun yung issue sa internet. Ang natatatanga ako, kung sa dyan, only respeto to the certification, then hindi siya tao sa Pilipinas. Ito yung certificate pa lang. Samantala yung master. Ng certificate.
May happy siya.
Mag-degrade yun.
Ay.
Gawin mo eh.
Agad.
Let's go.
Kulang ka na
sa eleksyon sa mga
Ayaw. Sabi ko nga.
pero nakaka-adapt naman agad.
may fix naman ha?
Dali ka doon.
Jason Perez, yung certify sa amin na unfortunate that some when their backs are already laying down against the ground and they're also looking at the stars. Ibig sabihin,
Mabigat ang araw.
Pagkado yan, agad.
Tsaka, init sa kanya na gamitin yung leg.
Actually, good work.
He uses his leg when he delivers a punch. That amplifies the power of the punch. Because there are those who deliver punch without using the leg.
like this guy.
When you punch, the punch comes not from the arm, but from the leg. I'll show you something.
Very bago.